When it comes to heating and cooling systems in the new Braunfels area, people know to rely on the experienced professionals at Two Rivers Heating and Air Conditioning to take care of them. We're dedicated to offering efficient and reliable service, as our experienced technicians are trained and equipped for new installations, general maintenance, and emergency repair. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not satisfied long after the job is complete, we'll be back to service your HVAC system again. Contact us to schedule an appointment and let us go to work for you.